Our first time in Ikea, guys. First time in Ikea.
Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.
Yes, guys, today Fun Friday will be happening at Ikea. Our first time at Ikea to check out all of their beautiful items to organize our new home. Guys, we want to thank you so much for coming back for another Fun Friday video. We hope you guys are doing really well. And yes, guys, let's go shopping. It's time for us to make this new home pretty. Let's go, guys. Guys, heading into Ikea was different from any other furniture store I have ever visited. There are tons of things for me to organize my kids' room, guys, and the kids had the opportunity to touch them to see what they're gonna look like in their spaces, and they too were excited. I am so grateful I had the opportunity to take you guys along with me on this shopping spree to Ikea. Oh my gosh, it was more like a window shopping. But we had fun, guys.
All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not dare. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not dare. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not dare. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not dare. We do not. Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not dare. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not dare. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not dare. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not dare. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. We'll all sing better outside, just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever. Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter? Or is this our fate? At least now I'm feeling better, I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. We'll all sing better outside, just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever.
Guys, when I saw this tub, all I was thinking about is I already want to do a remodel in our new bathroom. This tub is luxurious and I'm in love with it. My girls were thinking about all the lush items that they can put into this tub to take baths. How exciting we all are to have this new home and this new chapter of our lives. Guys, we thank you so much for being a part of this journey and for many more to come. I hope you guys are having an amazing Fun Friday. Guys, there were tons of food items on the shelves at Ikea that I've never seen before. But the two items that I chose to get today was one that was going to keep me up for this 5-hour drive back to my hometown, and that was chocolate. And the other one was sea salt to flavor my seafood. Guys, let me tell you, I had an amazing time at Ikea. My kids saw new things. They had great ideas. And as a family, it was a great Fun Friday. We thank you so much, so much for being a part of our lives and for coming back time after time to this beautiful family of ours. Guys, continue to take care of yourself, and as always, we love you. Guys, this is how we end in the Ikea walkthrough with the food from Ikea.
What the? No, give it to Mom.
Thank you, Mama. Let's go.
Dad, Nico took another bag. Little my hot dog. Yeah. What?
Ah, man, the sun is setting. It's a beautiful sunset. Red, look at it. Our first trip to Ikea. Yay! Alright.
Do you guys like Ikea?
It was the best experience of my life.
Yeah, but we had to walk 27 lanes.
You didn't like it?
I did. I don't think that's going to do so. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so our very first trip to Ikea was very interesting.
It took over an hour.
Like he said, it took over an hour to walk the entire Ikea store here in Jacksonville.
I hate
but
this
it was
ice
very
cream.
informative. We got a lot of ideas on our new bill. And guys, I don't know if we're gonna make this trip all the way back here just to shop the stuff from Ikea. They got an online store, right? I know, right? I know, right? I know. Yes, guys. Yes, we probably get our stuff from the Ikea store online, because we definitely, I'm telling you, I'm not doing this 5-hour drive just to pick up stuff from Ikea. And in our neighborhood, there is no Ikea. But I would say, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I love the stuff that I saw in there. I got a lot of inspiration on what I could do for the girls' room, how I can make it pretty. I love the bathroom stuff, guys. It's so pretty. I saw some interesting things, and I saw some amazing unique items for my kitchen. Didn't you see those unique things for the kitchen and bathroom? You love them? I love them, guys. I really enjoyed my very first trip at Ikea. Guys, I want to thank you so very much for coming along with us on this shopping spree, even though we just shop. I shop. Look what I shop. I got some Swedish flavor sea salt, and I got a chocolate that I've never tried before. I'll tell you how well I like it. But I enjoyed the store, and it's time for us to head back home. How many hours is it for us now? 5 hours. 5 more hours on the road, guys. We are enjoying this road trip. We hope you guys are doing amazing. We are. Stay blessed, stay well, and take care of yourselves. As always, guys, see you in another one. Stay blessed, beautiful people.
Head south, then turn left.
Okay, so we bought some
Swedish meatballs.
From Ikea. I've never seen this before.
Stop it.
Never seen this before. Is it good?
Better than good.
You had it before?
No, I like experimenting new food.
He is so meany to me. Let me try it. You? Let me try it.
I asked if you want to eat your own.
He's not gonna share with me. This is a lie. He's telling a lie. Let me try it. Or else he can sleep in the doghouse. Let me try it.
What dog house?
Exactly.
Me on the chair. Let me try it.
Listen, put
I'm gonna
cranberry
fight
sauce
you
on the
like a
bottom.
Caribbean woman. Let me try the meatball. You.
You're meanie.
That's how people just get jumped right there.
Am I supposed to be afraid of you?
Give me some meatball.
Dad can take you down in one hit. I'll put
I
like
wouldn't
ice
do it
in
like
your plate.
People don't
Alright
share.
guys, hurry up, eat the ice